Ready?
Pancake puffs.
Wait a minute. Ready? Action.
Introducing pancake puffs. Do you like pancakes? Then you'll love pancake puffs. The tasty pancakes, the tastiest pancakes are round, completely round, and revolutionary. Introducing the pancake puff pan. Pancake puffs are easy to make. Just use your favorite pancake batter. Pour and flip. Easier than flipping a regular pancake. You can enjoy pancake puffs with their favorite syrup. Or roll them in cinnamon sugar. Pancake puffs make the perfect dinner food. Kids love them for breakfast, dessert, or snacks. Every time, anytime. The pancake puff pans crafted for thermocast for 7 wells to make a perfect pancake puff every time. With its non-stick coating, clean up supreme. So just pour and flip. Fill pancake puffs with your favorite filling. Heavenly chocolate, delicious jams, creamy pudding, scrumptious caramel apple, fancy whipped cream. You're all at this time. Possibilities with the pancake puff pan. No more pizza delivery. Make your own pepperoni pizza puff. Meatball smash. Sandwich puffs. Cakes and blankets. Spicy jalapeno puffs. Even grab cake puffs. Use any flavor puff you like using your favorite batter. Blueberry muffin puffs. Cornbread puffs. Brownie puffs. Tasty cake puffs. Even cinnamon roll puffs. Great for party for a special occasion. You can call to order the amazing pancake puff pan. And we even set up flipping sticks and a quick and easy recipe book so you can make these. All of these treats all for $9.99 plus shipping and handling. And must be 18 years or older to call. When you call, ask your
Operator.
Operator about this bonus chef's offering with a spoon of flavor filling. So, what was the thing?
I don't know. I'm amazed you know the whole thing. Call now? What?
Call now. So, get your pancake. The special handle mint cover.
Oh, yeah.
A year supply, flipping sticks, and more. So call the number on your screen and order online to pancakepuff.com. It's fantastic.
Good job, Max. That was amazing.
That's what it said.
I can't believe it. So you really wanted the pancake puff maker, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what did you make?
Brownie pancake puff.
And were they good?
Yes.
Wow. So what's your name again?
Max Blackbill.
And how old are you?
5.
5 years old. Signing off.
Signing off for Pancake Puffs.